Bilang pagpapahalaga ng PNP na mas mapagtibay pa ang relasyon ng pulis sa komunidad, nagtipon-tipon sa Camp Crame ang lahat ng police community officers sa bansa upang talakayin ang iba't ibang issues, concerns at iba pang paraan upang mapalapit ang bawat pulis sa ating mamamayan. Silipin natin ang DPCR Family Conference.
Kamakailan ay idinaos ang 4th Quarter DPCR Family Conference sa opisina ng Directorate for Police Community Relations na pinamumunuan ni Police Director Lina Sarmiento, ang kauna-unahang Pilipinang 2-star General. Ang nasabing pagtitipon ay dinaluhan ng mga PIO o Police Information Officers at PCR o Police Community Relations Officers ng PNP ng bansa galing ng Police Regional Offices, National Capital Region District Offices at ng mga opisina sa Campo Crame. Ang 2 araw na conference ay masiglang nagsimula sa pamamagitan ng paunang mensahe ng mga opisyal ng DPCR and PCRG sa Campo Crame.
We are gathered here for this 4th PCR Family Conference. We hope and pray that all our discussions from the 2-day Family Conference would enable us to be more fruitful as we focus always our activity according to your will, by giving us a concrete example how you remain our leader and inspiration of your followers. And may all the inputs would give us a clear understanding of our task as your PCR officers of our institution.
This conference is not like the usual conferences that we have. We will not be talking about the past, nor shall we be talking about police makakalikasan. But rather, we have invited some resource persons in order to give us new insights and perhaps bring us to another perspective, in order for us to come up with some innovations in our approaches in trying to do our job.
First of all, I would like to introduce to you the different officers of the DPCR, beginning from our director, of course no other than Police Director Lina Sarmiento, and our Deputy Police Chief Superintendent Victor Jonah. We have the Chief of the Public Information Division, at the same time the concurrent officer in charge of the Plans and Programs Division, Police Senior Superintendent Efrain Perez. The officer in charge of the Community Affairs Division, Police Superintendent Nino Rabaya. Our Chief F.J. God, no other than Police Senior Superintendent Puchi Plasina. The Chief of the IORC, Police Senior Superintendent Jonathan Ablang. The Chief of the Salam Police Center, Police Senior Superintendent Nick Moksan. Our Chief Admin, Police Superintendent Eileen Padawan. We also have our Budget and Finance Officer, Police Superintendent Dinri Francisco. From Pro 1, Police Superintendent Rolly Saltat. From PRO 2, Police Superintendent Edgardo G. Pamitan. From PRO 3, Police Superintendent Odi Atienza.
Kasama pa ang lahat ng participants ng conference.
To our Director, Ma'am Lina Sarmiento, to the Deputy Director, Police Chief Superintendent Victor Jonah, sir, PCRG personnel, our Director of the PCRG, Police Chief Superintendent Bernardo C. Floresa Jr., of course yours truly, the Deputy Director, Police Senior Superintendent Nestor F. Kinsay Jr., our CDS, Police Senior Superintendent Rustico Bastugin, our Admin Records and Management Division, Police Senior Superintendent Hilario B. Oralio, our Chief Operations Management Division,
Florante L. Torres. Our Chief Community Affairs Development Division, Police Senior Superintendent Teroy Taginod. Our Assistant Chief H.M. Menundi, or the Historical Museum and Management Division, Superintendent Anthony Aderin. Our Information and Communication Development Division, Police Senior Superintendent Haris Pama. Senior Superintendent. Our new renamed Complaint and Referral Monitoring Center, soon to be Senior Superintendent Carlito Feliciano.
Again, welcome to Camp Crame and to your home in Camp Crame, the Directorate for Police Community Relations. We will raise the bar of police community relations. What we will do here is learn from experts. She will be giving a lecture on how to make your blogs appear in Google. That will be the first one to appear. Because you know, if you check, if you Google yourself, kunwari, sabihin si Mr. Duran. Sikat na sikat siya. So there will be about 1 million hits. Duran, 1 million hits sa Google. But you do not look at all the 1 million hits. Diba? You do not look at all 1 million hits. You only look at the first 2 pages perhaps. You will not look at the 3rd page even, because if you open each file, if you open each site in the first page, maybe it will take you already 1 hour. And then another hour for the 2nd page. Oh. But if you do not know how to craft your messages such that it will be the first one on the list, even if you upload 1 million blogs, or even if you upload 1 million press releases in the internet, it will not be read. It will not reach your intended target audience. So it's important that we train ourselves. This is something that is new to us.
Mainam na nakikita nating nakikipag-ugnayan ng mga pulis sa kanyang nasasakupang komunidad. Naiiwasan din ito ang mga maling stereotype na pag-iisip ng publiko sa mga pulis. At talaga namang maraming pulis ang mababait at maaasahan ng ating mga mamamayan sa oras ng emergency, sakuna at problema. Ang kahalagahan ng nasabing conference ayon sa mga nakapanayam naming PCR and PIO officers ng bansa.
The PCR Family Conference ay ginaganap quarterly. It's very important kasi dito nag-uusap-usap at nababalangkas yung programa pertaining to PCR at saka yung pagbibigay ng yung communication program for the entire Philippine National Police.
Ito pong ating DPCR Family Conference na ngayon ay naiiba po sa lahat. In a way na hindi na po yung usual na reporting natin, reporting ng mga regional offices, kundi ginagawa pong nagiging mas capable po tayo sa ating ginagampanan na tungkulin. Kailangan natin paigtingin yung ating linkages sa community dahil malaki ang naitutulong nito hindi lang po sa crime prevention at iba pang mga activities natin, kundi nagiging aware po yung ating mga kababayan kung ano po yung mga ginagawa natin at kung ano yung pwede nilang maitulong.
Yung family conference nito ay napakahalaga para sa amin dahil ito ang pagkakataon na yung aming direktor ng DPCR ay naire-relay niya sa amin sa field sa lahat ng mga instructions na nanggagaling dito sa National Headquarters na aming itong ipapatupad sa aming mga nasasakupan sa probinsya.